Hey YouTube, today I have the Oral-B Pro 750 Brown toothbrush, electric toothbrush, another Black Friday item. It comes with the case. This is how it looks. I'm using my hand to hold the camera, so this is not going to be very convenient for me anyway. It says here that it has a battery that lasts up to 10 days if you use it for 2 minutes 2 times per day. It rotates 8,800 times per minute and vibrates 20,000 times, but these are more technical stuff over here. Anyway, let's open the box. So that's what's in the box: the toothbrush with just one spare head. We have the case, which is very convenient if you travel, and the charger over here, and some instruction booklet in the top. Now, I used to have this toothbrush. What I can say is that the bad things is that it takes around 1 day to charge, but the good things is that it lasts a long time. I mean, it can take up more than 10 days, depending on how frequent you use it. One other thing that I would like is if that it should have a cap on the head. And the other thing you should be careful is that this plastic here tends to, after some use, tends to dissolve. I don't know if they use new material here. It has 2 flashing lights here, one for the battery and one for the charger. What else? It's black. One other thing. And one other very convenient thing is this case. So this is the case. So if you travel, you just put the body here, and you can put 2 spare heads over here. So it's really convenient. It makes no mess if you're traveling. And again, as I said, it cleans a lot better than an ordinary toothbrush. It's an electric toothbrush. It's not very heavy, but the thing is that it takes some time to charge. This just has this button here. It's not charged, obviously. Oral-B, you can find spare parts even at supermarkets. And that's what's on the down here. And just a simple charger. This is plastic, so it seems that there are no danger for electrocution or something like that. And again, here we have says here, the instruction booklet. So that's about it. It hasn't had no pressure sensor, has more expensive models of this toothbrush. On the other hand, it came really cheap, around 20 something euros, 24 I believe it was, on Black Friday. So yeah, I believe it's a good, it will be a very good choice if you have never used an electric toothbrush before, because it lasts a long time and it really does a good job compared to a handheld toothbrush. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.